Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make Biscuit Guro. First, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt in a large bowl. Whisk these dry ingredients thoroughly. Next, add 1/2 cup of very cold, unsalted butter, cut into small cubes. Use a pastry blender or your fingertips to cut the butter into the flour until it resembles coarse crumbs. Now, gradually pour in 3/4 cup of cold milk, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to tough biscuits. Turn the shaggy dough out onto a lightly floured surface. Gently knead it about 5 to 6 times, just enough to bring it together. Avoid excessive handling to maintain a tender texture. Roll the dough to about 1 inch thickness, then use a 2-inch round cutter to create your biscuits. Arrange the cut biscuits on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, ensuring they are close but not touching. Bake in your preheated 375° Fahrenheit oven for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the tops are golden brown and the biscuits are puffed. Once out of the oven, brush the tops with a little melted butter for a rich, glossy finish. Serve your warm Biscuit Guro immediately with your favorite toppings. Biscuit Guro is incredibly versatile. Enjoy them warm with a dollop of your favorite fruit jam, a drizzle of honey, or even alongside a savory gravy for a heartier meal. They are perfect for breakfast, brunch, or as a delightful snack. Store any leftover biscuits in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 to 3 days to maintain freshness. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.